science teacher. This afternoon, we want to look at calculations on specific heat capacity. And the question you have to solve is a copper rod with heat capacity 585 joule per kilo is heated until its temperature changes from 35 degrees C to 85 degrees C. Calculate the quantity of heat supplied to the rod if the specific capacity of copper rod is 390 joule per kilogram per kilo. So if you look at this question, you are given some parameters, and the first parameters we are given is the heat capacity. The heat capacity of copper, which is equals to 585 joule per kilogram. And we are also given temperature 1, which is T1, 35 degrees C. We are also given temperature 2, which is 85 degrees C. And the mass of copper, we are not given the mass of copper. We have to, we don't know the mass of copper, and we also have to calculate the specific heat capacity, which is C, of copper. And we are given the heat capacity of copper rod to be 585. Then the specific heat capacity is 390. So the question is, we want to look at the quantity of the heat that is transferred or that is supplied by the copper rod. If you look at this question, we have two identities that we are to calculate. Don't forget that the formula to calculate the quantity of heat is Q equals to MC in the time change in temperature, where the M is the mass, the C is the specific capacity, while this is change in temperature, and our Q is the quantity of heat that is supplied. But if you look at this question, we still have to know what the value for mass. So to know the value for mass, the formula is Cp equals to Mc. So let's put our parameters. Our Cp is what? 585, which is equal to, we don't know our mass times, then the C is what? 390. So what we need to do now is make our M the square root of formula by dividing all through by what? 390. So we divide 3 by 390. So our M will equals to 585 all over 390, which is equals to 1.5 kilogram. So since we have known the value of our M now to be what? 1.5 kilogram, equals to 1.5 kg. So now we can now go ahead to calculate the quantity of heat that is supplied by copper rod. And the formula is Q equals to MC K in theta. So we have our mass now to be what? 1.5. And our C, that is 395 times 395 times the change in temperature, that is T2 minus T1, which is equal to 1.5 times 395 bracket. Our T2 is 85 minus 35. So that will give us 1.5 times 395 times 50. So 1.5 times 395 times 50 will give us 29,625. That is the value. But don't forget that quantity of heat is always in joule. It's always in what? In joule. So what we now do is we have to convert this to joule. It will now be 2.96 joule. So to convert this to joule, you divide by 1000. So you now have the quantity of heat supplied by the copper rod to be 2.96 joule. Thank you for today's class. I'm once again your certified science teacher. Thank you.